Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry I haven't posted on Thursday. Today's Monday. This is going to be going up late. If not tonight, it will be up by tomorrow morning. But today's video is going to be touching up my good friend, childhood friend Nicole's hair. She's a blonde and it's a regular touch up, but just showing you little tips and tricks along the way. So I'm using 20 volume with my Schwarzkopf Blommy, my go-to #1 lightener. And I'm using a 16th ounce of Olaplex, and our Lowlight is going to be 12 grams of 7N and 3 grams of 6NB with 10 volume of Shades Q. So we're going to go in and do a full tightly packed baby light. She comes approximately every 3 to 4 months. We used to start out by doing more of a low maintenance, thicker stitch, more dimensional with a rooted look on her for about a year or two. And I do have other videos of that. I'll link all of her videos on the card so you can see her past working to this point. And then about 2 sessions ago, she said she wants to go blonder. We took her lighter, we chopped it, and it has been golden. She loves it. It's so beautiful. Her hair actually grew another 2 to 3 inches, and we're going to chop it a little bit up today and shape it nicely. But we're going in, and she did request to go a little bit lighter, and she is a little too gold for my liking. So I'm going to overlap her, but I'm not going to oversaturate those ends. The bulk of the product will be going on those new roots, and then whatever's left on the brush, I'll feather down over the ends. And sometimes you'll see me even kick the last inch or 2 out of the foil because it might be already light enough and we don't need to over process that. And that's a little trick as well. By kicking that little inch at the end out, you have less of a chance of breakage. I'm going in and doing lowlights pretty much like a set way. Every 2 to 3 foils, I'll do a low light because I want to do it that way instead of going in afterwards and, putting them where it's needed. She's pretty much blonde all over, and I want to just do a uniform for her hair today.
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise.
So I'm finishing up packing in these foils. We're also tipping out all of her ends, not weaving them at all, just tipping them straight out. We're trying to get her as blonde as possible, and I believe this is the best way to do it. So we're going to finish up those foils. I did a bricklay pattern in the back. I've been loving doing that a lot lately. I feel like it's quicker and it goes well with the round of the head. Sometimes I'll stack 2 in a row, sometimes I'll stack 3, but I go from the middle, the left, the right, and I do the middle on a horizontal, the left and the right on a slight diagonal.
You give me this energy. It is like you set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Life is hard the way it is, but with you it's easier. Follow me into the night, without you I'm falling deeper. Stay a bit longer, yeah, I just need you to, I just need you to. Stay a bit longer, I just need you to. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get closer? Just for motivation.
So Nicole is a level 5, so I do let her sit a little bit longer than average clients who are a little bit lighter than that. So she sat for about 60 minutes, and now it's moving on to toning. I'm trying out some of the Vibrance by Schwarzkopf, the demi-liquid version for them in their line, and I did 9-5-12, which is like 9.5 level, but ash, blue and violet, I believe. I could be wrong. Schwarzkopf color lines do work with the universal number system, so most brands that I've ever used always use letters. I got about 10 of them. I've had them sitting around, so I wanted to try them out. And then I'm just doing that alone for her toner. I've heard that a lot of people love this alone, that it's one of the most beautifulest blonde toners out there. So we're going to try it and see. I'll let you guys know what I think about that. And for her root, we're going to go with her natural base, which is a 5. So I did 5N with a little smidgen of 5NA to keep her a little bit cooler in the root area. If you guys want me to do a video going over in more depth about other brands like Schwarzkopf and how they use number system universally, then let me know down below in the comments and I'll do a dedicated video one day using all Schwarzkopf products, all Schwarzkopf color, and I'll break everything down. Most of the brands I've ever used are all letters, so it's new to me as well. But if you do need me to explain it further for you, let me know if you want to see a Schwarzkopf breakdown video. And I'll go over every single thing to get you guys education in case you want to try Schwarzkopf color.
You give me this energy. set me free. Chasing highs to stay alive. But if I'm with you, I'll survive. So hold me close into the night, 'cause I need you to stay. You take me to paradise, that's why it's hard to wait. Can I be around you for motivation? Just a little while now. A simple question, can I get...
All right, guys, she's fully done. Look how beautiful this blonde came out. Perfect blonde, bright, a little bit, I don't even know how to explain it. White blondes aren't always in. They're not always everything everybody wants. And I love doing white blondes, but this is a nice, bright, natural blonde that looks really natural and is great for maintaining with her really dark level 5 hair. And it looks really beautiful with that root shadow we did. We did a level 5 on her, and look how it doesn't even look that dark and scary. Let me know videos you want to see in the future down below. Definitely subscribe, like, share, join the tribe. We're growing rapidly, and we're finally getting our numbers up. And the more I get more followers, the more videos I'm able to put out every single week. Right now, I'm definitely going to get back to posting 2 videos a week, Monday and Thursday. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in the next one. As always, so long for now, guys. Mwah.